from all walks of life, welcome back to another episode of Figure Review. This time we've got ourselves Altria caster from Fate Grand Order, made by Good Smile Company. The details are on the left and the estimate price is on the right. You could probably get it cheaper because it was released last year. Alright, now I'm gonna show you some of the poses that you can make with this Nendoroid. Keep in mind that you can make any sort of pose you want based on your creativity. This one is the one where she's just standing with the staff upright. Very easy to do, very nice. This time it's gonna be a harder pose where she's casting a magic spell. It is very hard because the staff is quite brittle. The parts of it just fall many times. It looks very cool, but it's very hard to do for me. I don't know for you guys. Next one is the one where she's holding her staff one-handed with one leg is bent, so she's standing on one foot. Very cool. Looks like the one on the box. Pretty easy to do. Last one is the one where she's holding the staff with both hands, and the faceplate is the one with the face kind of all dere dere. Very cute, very adorable. If you made it this far, thank you very much for watching. Like, subscribe, leave a comment, and don't forget to click on that video if you want to watch some more anime figure review. I will see you next time. Goodbye.